Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Show Me Tint. We got a lot going on today. We got some new trucks, and this is a Shelby. I love this truck actually. This is a fast truck, you know, and they're fun and they're luxurious. They're big. I don't know what you wouldn't like about it. It's all painted to match, and that's where I come in. They want some paint protection. Well, the guy wanted some clear, and I knew his last truck we wrapped matte. We wrapped his truck matte black, and maybe if you tuned in before, it's the lightning. Well, I was like, dude, this would look sick in a matte clear. It'll be the only one like it. And he was like, dude, right now, I don't even care. I didn't even give him a price. I just told him, like, we're gonna do it, make it look cool. And he was like, bring it in. It's gonna be a fun project, super challenging. What you're seeing right now is like, we're taking it apart. These fender flares go on here. We're removing them because all this dirt that's back there could get in the installation. So we're gonna take it all apart, get it cleaned up. That's step one, just getting it clean. We're gonna take the mirrors off, the door handles off. This bed thing is gonna be kind of challenging. It's super big. I wasn't thinking about this. Oh my God. I've never actually wrapped one of these, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But it should be fine, you know. What we think, the tailgate looks hard, and what looks hard? The bumpers, the tonneau cover looks hard. The front bumper is gonna be hard, yeah. But we're excited, we like challenging projects. So we're like, yay, something hard to do, let's do this. This boat was hard to do. We did that 2 years ago. We wrapped the whole thing from here to here is wrapped in paint protection. And he finally took some damage. He was out in some kind of fishing tournament and took some damage on the PPF. He said, man, I love this product. He's like, I tell everybody about it. He's like, I'm totally cool with replacing it. Please put it back on. And that's what we're doing right now. Hunter's working on getting the glue off. That's super easy, isn't it, Hunter? You love moving glue, huh? Oh, yeah. That's your favorite job?
Second favorite.
What's your favorite thing about removing glue? Is it just the tedious, time-consuming product?
Disassociating.
Yeah, good time. All right, he's my like special glue remover slash if I have anything dirty to do or something I just want to see him struggle with. That's what I do for Hunter, you know? This is Dakota's Corner. We give him a plotter and a computer and a toolbox and we let him go to town. Please, yeah, because he did actually want a total. Nick's over here wrapping a Jeep purple. You find him on TikTok and Instagram. He's really popular. This bumper looks like a challenge. Dude. Eesh, no bueno. Thank God he's doing it. Look at this color on this. This is gonna be so hot. Kyle, you're gonna love this, dude. Your wife's gonna love this. This is gonna be hot. We're like about a day and a half behind on our vinyl wraps right now. We have the next one here already. I can go show it to you. The Aviator's here for dropping off, going matte white. So we're excited about that. Let me go show you what it looks like to check in from front. You wanna see what's going on? This is a prop, not like a stage prop. Hey, have a good time, Hunter. I appreciate your help. I love picking on him. This is Emily. She's the Show Me Tint face that you meet. You're like, oh my God, look, smiling happy girl. So when you call, like the first thing you're gonna get is Emily's voice. She's gonna be like, what do you?
Can we help you?
Yeah. That's happening right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, she keeps us all together, keeps us organized.
No, you're okay.
Keeps track of all the 20, 30 cars we're tinting a day. And also has to put up with the boys down there tinting windows. And put up with me throwing little wrenches in there playing all the time, you know? So we got that going on. We got these graphics we're doing out here. It's a nice little day, man. It's cracking and packing. I don't even know how many cars we've done today, but quite a bit. They're actually tinting over here. My guys are over here packing it out. Either that, or actually they're on lunch. So yeah, I make a video to show them off and they leave their work here and they're on lunch right now, of course. We're gonna put a wrap on this today. We're doing some paint protection. It has this like super old school, kind of like old school carbon fiber skull. So today we're gonna rip this off, or we're gonna gently remove it. I guess I shouldn't say rip it off. This guy would freak out. We're gonna gently remove it, and then we're gonna put a wrap over the full hood and a digital print. It has something similar to the rest of the theme of the car, which is like the Punisher. I think that's the theme of the car. Bad Boy Vets. I knew it. Bad Boy Vets. They're the ones that built this originally. There's a bunch of custom stuff doing it. So if you guys see me on YouTube, say what's up. Be like, hey, Randy, show me tint. We get a lot. You guys are really commenting on a lot on there, man. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out a lot. Everybody's texting me all the time. You guys are like, hey, your channel looks awesome. I'm like, man, that looks cool. This is the Aviator. So that we've got it staged over here, but we're gonna start this hopefully today. We're gonna start, the wheels are going off. They're going off to Mitch at MC Customs. They're gonna get powder coated, gloss black. We're gonna wrap all this in a matte white. We're gonna do a combination of gloss black on the accents. And I think the grill, I think we need to still figure out what we're gonna do. They were on the fence if they wanted to make this like mesh or chrome, or if they wanted to leave it chrome or make it black, or I have no idea. We'll decide by then. There's my jet skis, no big deal. You'll see me a lot on them on the lake. This goes over here somewhere. This is not supposed to be here. But I just got them serviced over at Pitbull, and I just brought them up here I'm like ordering a special graphic kit for them. It's gonna be super cool. Like it's gonna be super loud and wild, and it protects your water equipment. So since we do that, I figured we'd do something cool on them, jazz them up for the season. So, but you gotta get these things serviced all the time. So this is just like my truck and my car and my other car. This is supercharged also. So you gotta like take care of the supercharger. But the guys over at Pitbull, Lynn over there, he takes really good care of us. We're down to tint shop. The guys are down here working Mondays. A couple guys get off that are on work Saturdays. So Trey and Ramon are my two guys in this bay. They're doing some window tinting and some graphics. What are you doing right now?
Cleaning off some glue.
Oh yeah, it's a good time, isn't it? Hunter was doing the same thing. I thought maybe you were just making it up. Like you were like, there's a little bit of glue.
Oh no.
It looks like there's a whole sticker over here.
Looks like the other.
People be like, I didn't see any glue on there. So because we got to charge them for removal. They're like, man, they are wrapping I think 13 or 15 vehicles. So I might cut them a little break. Ramon says, no. You got doing it? No way. You hear him over there. Nope. You ready? You ready to stop doing stickers? Want to do 10 all day? Obviously. Did you ride your scooter in today? Oh man, I heard you and Andre are going to ride in today. Ramon's got a little scooter he rides back and forth to work, and Andre's got one of those one wheels. It's funny story about the one wheel. It's like, I bought a one wheel. Andre comes in and is like, dude, do not ride that. That's a death trap. And I was like, dude, I thought my son might have fun on it. He's like, I would never put anybody I cared about on there. And I'm telling you right now, death trap. And he scared me. I was like, dude, okay, yeah, I'm gonna sell it. And then he bought it and now he uses it every day. He uses it all the time. Like he's got 3 of them. 3 one wheels. I was like, man, but they are kind of scary. If you've never rode one, they're super frightening. It's like riding one wheel. Yeah, electric unicycle. They're super fun though, but they're super dangerous, yeah. We got a bunch of little toys we're gonna break out soon. We got a bunch of little summer toys that we ride around on, like we call it the Slowpoke. We've got a little 4-wheeler. We got a bunch of vehicles we'll have out here just jacking around and having fun, so. We'll get this work done, guys. I'm ready. This is what Ramon's putting on. Any company logo, any small business, it's something little, but it just kind of goes over the door. And we've got one done up there. This is our 4th one we've done already, so we're just running them through. Basically, we get everything made and we just pull them out of service, get them done, and ship them back. All right, man, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking it out. We'll have some cool stuff to show you this week. You're gonna have to check back to see that Shelby matted out. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna look sick. It's gonna blow your mind. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna get started on that actually. That's what I'm ready to do. Thanks, guys.